man is a criminal, allow the court to declare him that. We don't go to his house and create fear, but he has children, he has a wife, he has a family. He doesn't deserve your nonsense. If it happened 2017, it does not mean we should continue.
Yeah, Bobby, I'm a president, I'm a dua. Niamatima, me do I ain't a party person. I go fuck his head, Jabia. Na Gabioti Dako. I mean, it's Shalika. Obeko said Shalika, Gabioti Dako. Any Koku Bako. Nipo Policementino. Mu party people know more. A bit is a man power. I mean, when you compare me to Kisaja Bay, he is nowhere near me.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Marco baby I will be being check send them my Xposed GHFM Bembros. On subscribe mommy with the tumpa now on sa I can be. OSB who wants a money I can. Now when him said nipa ba kon no de ba why so for there but obon again. Prophet Kofi Oduro or say a stupidity at the highest level. Say a net 2025 ye be leading a group of soldiers into somebody's house without even a warrant. Say in the name of say Wabokrono. Let's go and listen to him.
That whoever sent those people to the finance minister's house to raid the house, that is stupidity to the highest level. Jimmy to the highest level. I'm telling you that. If somebody, you think that a man like that, if, listen to that, if, you know, he's out of the country, he will leave evidence behind. And we are in a democracy. This is not a coup d'etat regime where you send soldiers into people's house, raiding people. What kind of nonsense is that? If the man is a criminal, allow the court to declare him that. We don't go to his house and create fear, but he has children, he has a wife, he has a family. He doesn't deserve your nonsense. If it happened 2017, it does not mean we should continue. Musia Nyansa, and be serious. Who sent those guys into the fire? We want to know. Would you say we are going to be keeping quiet? No. This is a voice in the wilderness crying, preparing the way of the Lord. Stop your nonsense. We have the power by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. He can just authorize Interpol to bring Ken, whatever his name is, right now. Whether he is sick or not, we have the power to airlift him wherever he is and bring him. So if you have the power, why do all these, whether they are hooligans or, you know, or go into people, stop it! Let's behave like a civilized society. Civilized. Think because it's NDC, so we won't talk about. So what is NDC? NDC for me. We voted you in power to come and serve us. We didn't vote for this nonsense. We didn't vote for you to be jumping into people's houses, breaking stuff, and removing their property. Stop the nonsense. When you're serious,
sometimes I wonder, say the leaders that we have, do they even read? Do they watch things? Do they travel? Girls they don't see the things that they are supposed to see. Because times have changed. Richard Dakpa, the army in the say you are not even fit to be a military man because almost psyche why don't so about them. How can you lead soldiers without warrant to go to a former finance minister said, are you a soldier? If you belong to a political party, does it make you a soldier? It doesn't. Are we fools? And the military command should wake up. Don't let this politician fool your way. The Ghana military is one of the finest in the world. And my politicians fool way, they should destroy your reputation. No! They said yes. I expect you to be in full control. Your fellow boys tell them, I'll let them go. Not because of political expediency. You're not to me. Now you're there. Do your job. Why are we disgracing your military say? And nothing now, question to say, Captain Smart, everything I can say, Ghanaian soldiers are not intelligent. Because how can you follow this small boy, Richard Jakpa, to go to the finance minister's house to go and search? And now, when catch us, are you thinking that he's a foolish man? Kofi Oduro. Even if there's evidence, what do you call it that? Are we that dumb? Say, a new machine 1981, we are still repeating it. Are we that stupid? Don't we have sense? And people are hailing. It said, I will not civilize. If your friends are fools, they are law, court war, go there and seek warrant. And look, you that, but you're not a military man. You're not supposed to even be there. Police when they go to what? To search. Is he a criminal? Does he have gun? Let's be wise. And your political waiting, your Jimmy and watch it. We need to up the game. No, yeah. Lampa, say her. I could find the catch and say, position of our mammy. OSP position of some mano, or for my new good in Mra.
The Akufado led government didn't learn. Matamidu, Obi and Sakino, or the Nejuma 2 Horo. Then you go for Obi. Number replacing Matamidu. The party didn't sit down to say, yeah, Obi, I be replacing Matamidu. Nya Matamidu, I am the party person. I confess, he said, Jabia. Na Gabioti Dako. I mean, it's Chaleka. Nobody could say Chaleka, Gabioti Dako. Any Koku Bako. Nipa Bonisementino. Mu party people know more poor. A bit is like a man power. I mean, when you compare me to Kisa Jabe, he is nowhere near me in terms of age. Kisa Jabe, about 8 or 9. In terms of legal, prowess, I was called to about 2000. Kisa Jabe was in 2003. To be a lawyer, I could get the benefits or call law school. When it comes to cases, many cases, 3 cases, 2 cases were high court, but not to form. Second court, me not to form. Into me, 3 cases, I mean, cases are being me defeating. When it comes to party loyalty, they will be where ahead of cases that being. When it comes to protecting the constitution and the MPP party, I'm ahead. But Gabi Mutio, because I'm not known to them. The few Achi mafias, Echo Fak is Jabe. And another also made a mistake. That day that Fak is Jabe, me told this and say, MPP, I don't know. Because you don't learn from your mistakes. Matamidu one to Kisa Jabe. And when Kisa Jabe was sitting there, I know Kisa Jabe said, 1, or you're empty. Or you'll be the casa dorsal, or it's on a good practitioner. When I did cases with Kisa Jabe, or you'll be or an emotional person, or ego, or genuity, or moshe. Anna, or you'll be say, or a very vindictive Kisa Jabe. I've done 3 cases with Kisa Jabe, I know. And who introduced Kisa Jabe? Now this boy came to office. Mucha me one prosecution be away against your opponent. No. Kisa Jabe took over Reno. Nobody in NDC committed a crime. President Mamba crime. Government official one called Clano. Kisa Jabe all of a sudden became the enemy of MPP and Ghanaians. And to me, I say, and never buying a lose power. He's now paying you back time as if he has an issue. And if you look at the way issue declare, even NPP, NDC, I told you now, will not even do that.
I am passing and come with the money man, could be better person. Because only maybe, to be frank with you, as much as I support the OSP, some of his actions are very, I don't use a certain word. If you know your job, you do it right. If you know your job, you do it right. Because, okay, Cecilia, first time no call, court, and I say, but court no, and you want to call. Are we saying say the OSP is not consulting enough? And now say he doesn't know the job? After all, Matty said just 7 years. But 7 years, you do a changes and the person say the OSP should be independent person, not appointed by the president. I want an OSP who can even arrest the president of Ghana. I want an OSP that people will fear the name, just him coming. So yes, but he has a lot to work. Because the way we've designed the OSP, it's not right. Now Echo, you could say Echo, you don't even see them. Because we have too many institutions fighting corruption, but none of them is working. OSP by how many years? When watching now? Assembly or their court, and now when it be? No matter your judicial system needs to be overhauled. It's too slow. Too slow. Because assembly we should have a special court for trying corruption. Because when be say achieve be to send near your mama bay, no, just 4 years. Now ye do be asem. After 4 years, change of government back, assembly I have this case, send your woman say. So where is the working of the OSP? Are we working? No. It means that the politicians almost say Jimmy. If they really want to make it work, they should take the power from the constitution and give it to the OSP. Say he's an independent minded. Just as when you go to UK, US, he's an independent body. He doesn't think on somebody's whims. But how the Attorney General, who is appointed by the president, has to give the power to the OSP. Say OSP for case. The Attorney General said don't do it, and he won't do it because and the boss. What are we doing? The same thing, Shrad, whatever, they are all answerable to the president of Ghana. So who checks the president? And I expose you, FM Bruce. Also subscribe. Me the tumpa na sakabi manuasi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.